next video.
Feel the bite of my steel. Feels much better. I need more time. Enough energy. You shouldn't stand a chance. You're trying my patience. Never rush a child to Lucapos. Stronger only. Point me to the enemy. Protect you. Give me a moment.
Hello again. I assume you followed the surge of energy here as well? Lethis never did have the patience for subtlety. Come, we must find the source of this profane rite. At its apex, we will find my wayward apprentice. A necrotic barrier. Quaint. Well, there are always 3 of these rituals. Go and put an end to the others. In the meantime, I'll go and keep Lethis occupied. For my sake, do try to be expedient.
Charging. These hands will grant no mercy. That feels much better. You're trying my patience. I am Blade and Fury incarnate. Taste the fury of the ancients. Not I need more time.
I could go to this waypoint first, mark it, and then go for the second pillar, whatever it was. Not enough energy. I am renewed.
Damn you, Zool. Always so persistently afraid of my talent. Well, no more. I'm beyond you now. Soon, the Auric soul will be mine. And with it, I will be the greatest necromancer alive. Rathma himself will fear my name. Your suffering begins now. It is done. The breach is open. You cannot stop it.
Zool, and I don't intend to. You are my target, Lethus. My failure to put down.
Please. You can no more put me down this time than you could the last.
Okay, let's see in the next one.